Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, May 14, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, coffee time again?
Hi, David. Yes, I need it. 2 meetings already?
Wow, you're busy. I got a ton of emails. Need energy.
Same here. Did you see the news today?
Oh yeah, big stuff. Like the US and China made a deal. They're cutting tariffs for 90 days.
Really? That's interesting. It helps trade, right?
Totally, my clients were freaking out. Tariffs make prices high. Now they might relax.
Good for your sales. Tariffs mess up our projects too. Suppliers change prices all the time.
I know, right? One client said shipping costs were crazy. This deal might save us some cash.
It's a short truce, though. Only 90 days. Will it last?
Who knows? Politicians talk big, but things change fast. I just want stable prices for my deals.
True. Global trade is like a puzzle. One move affects everything. Did you see the stock market?
Yeah, stocks went up. Investors are happy. My boss was like, this is good for business.
It's good for now, but we need to watch what happens next. Trade affects our budgets.
For sure. I told a client by now, prices might go up again, gotta stay sharp.
You're always selling David. But yes, we need to plan for changes.
Haha, it's my job. Speaking of changes, did you hear about Apple? They're using AI for iPhone batteries.
Oh, really? That's cool. Better battery life?
Yep. They say AI will make your phone last longer. No more dead battery at lunch.
That's great. My phone dies during meetings. AI could fix that?
I hope so. I'm always charging mine. Clients call me all day. Battery goes poof.
I like this. Technology makes work easier. AI can help with schedules too, right?
Oh yeah. Some apps use AI to plan your day. Like, hey, here's your meeting time.
That sounds helpful. But does it really work? AI makes mistakes sometimes.
True. My friend tried one. It booked a meeting at midnight. We need to check AI stuff.
Exactly. It's a tool, not a boss. But better batteries? I'm excited for that.
Me too. Imagine no charger in your bag. More space for snacks.
You and your snacks. But yes, small changes like that make life better.
Totally. Hey, did you see that news about Boris Johnson? The guy said something wild years ago.
Oh, the watermelon smiles thing? He called it satire? What do you think?
Man, that's awkward. He's like, it was a joke, but people are mad. Not a good look.
It's tricky. Words matter, especially for leaders. Why did he say it was satire now?
Probably because he wants to be prime minister. Gotta clean up his mess. Politics,
Yes, but it's deeper. It's about how people trust leaders. That common hurt feelings.
For sure. My cousin saw it online and was like, this guy's out of touch. Social media went nuts.
Social media makes everything bigger. One word, and everyone's talking. It's risky.
Yep. I told my team, think before you email, one bad word, and clients get upset.
Good advice. In projects, we check every message. Clarity avoids problems.
Haha. You're so organized, Alex. I just try not to hit send too fast.
Practice makes perfect. But yes, leaders need to be careful. Trust is hard to build.
Totally. Like, imagine our boss saying something dumb, we'd all be like, what?
True. It'd be a long meeting to fix that. Society watches everything now.
Oh yeah, everyone's got a phone recording. No hiding anymore.
That's why I like clear communication. No drama, just work.
You're smart, Alex. I'm just happy if my coffee's hot and my clients pay on time.
Simple goals. But news like this makes me think. The world's always changing.
Right? One day it's tariffs, next day it's phones, then some politician's old words.
Keeps life interesting. But it's a lot to follow. I need more coffee for this.
Aha, me too. All right, I gotta check my emails. Clients are waiting.
Same. Projects don't manage themselves. See you tomorrow?
Yep. Same time, same coffee machine.
Bye, David.
Catch you later, Alex.
Time to get to work. Practice your English every day and you'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. I hope you have a great day.